I am the chairman of ODM Kisii, and my people are here. Are you here?
Yes.
My people are here today, and the issue we are raising is the constant and warranted attack on our governor, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati. We are incensed. We are not happy. We are concerned that the harassment and intimidation of our governor has gone howling. We cannot describe it. We can't condone it any further. They started slowly. They even went to the stadium. They even went to his home. Now they are threatening to get hold of him. We have no problem if he has committed an offense. But now that he has not committed any offense, which we know, we want to demand answers. Why is the government, and particularly the CCIO, the county commander, the county commissioner, and the other officials here in Kisii and in Nairobi, why are they interested in Simba Arati?
Yes.
What is the problem? Has he killed anybody?
Yeah.
Has he killed anybody's child?
Yeah.
Why are they interested in Simba Arati? Simba Arati is one out of 47 county governors.
Yes.
What crime has he committed?
We want to know.
And these people, they are very interesting. They simply come, when you ask them, Simba asks them, what are you doing? They say, we are relaxing. We are just passing and we drifted. That is nonsense. That's stupidity of the highest nature.
Yes.
We demand that these things must now stop. These things must stop immediately.
Yes.
Stop.
Our people, the people of Kisii County, we are asking you, are you not seeing what's happening?
Yes.
If you are seeing what's happening, we are calling on you, and you are, as your chairman of ODM, we are calling, this is an ODM government in Kisii. Our ODM government in Kisii must be respected. It is a sovereign power which must be respected. So from Friday, 29th, 19th, I am asking my people, please come out. You don't have to come to Kisii town. Come out wherever you are. Let us demonstrate and ask. Let us have placard asking the government of Kenya, what has Simba done? Yes. So we want that one to be answered categorical, and if there is no answer, we will continue demonstrating for 2 weeks, demanding that the CCIO must be arrested. She must record a statement. What is she planning? She wants to kill our child? Yes. Do you want our child to be killed? No. We must make sure that we protect him. We are now, even if you don't give him the protection, we are going to do what? To protect him. Yes. Simba, come here. What they are planning is that they want you not to do any development. Our Kisii people, we want development. So you come home, we will protect you, and we'll make sure that you develop this great county of Kisii. So from Kisii, kindly, we are requesting the president of this country. I know you are a person who is the leader, a source of unity. Please make sure that our son, Simba Arati, is protected. Thank you so much. As a leader, ya ODM, Kisii County ne government ya ODM. E government ya ito. Inche chairman. Iko to koboliga. Simba Arati governor ya ito nkia kora. Omwana ngaita Omwana ongaita ngaroga ingia kwa kumenya kiumune ngiti mune ngapi Simba tanya guikaransa kore aikaransa bodi ikaransa te akobanga amagenderero abantu aba batagete commercial nga Simba takora ki mwanje gente ki igotogote bega ki abantu bamintu Simba taikorara puoye igoro na abasigari baringi bakubori wingi mwacha gukora batebanga ngatwasira tuaje gute
Ngoma nyitega asia.
Abantu abambare mboroje mbare clear.
Yeah.
So what we are saying and demanding in Kenya, the government ya Kenya must stop that limitation. Etiko mwano ito aikaranse akoregasi. Gosema? Omo sisi ya omo swati yori okorkunjeru. Catherine Njeru must be arrested, not even omo swati yori akoba arrested. Ai yako rushibu nduki acho kobeka mwano nde. Inki ata tiko bwata onye karoje tikamu amubwate onye kabwate mistake. Lakini si mana bwate mistake. Account commander cases again. Tiga again daru waiga. Account commissioner tiga koreki. No nde bwesho koiro mwano itege chara. Mwa tobetire ndorano. Mwa tobetire ndorano. Endorero. Ntoigo chwajana ngenteki. Mwachire isikoria sanse. Bona bantu baituka kingo babori. Ekero mwana itoba oroje bachire isikoria sanse gaki. Auto como tikaitwe? Koruchuma. Aya imoka neri sakara. Imoka neri ne keranga chivu. Tore peaceful. Tuarure notice ya ruete igoro. Naruete notice to the police and all the sub county commanders. Kochiari neba South Mugirango neba Masimba neba Mimara neba wapi Nyamaje neba ki. Na otoko demonstrate toko bona ki Simba inki akora ki. Simba kaje to masaire. Into monto ito to achorete Simba na ne to ko chora Simba na no motu Simba to koregi. To bwata. Oyo ko kuna Simba. Na to koregi. Bien mom.